Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baking soda is probably one of the most underrated products in your home. This unassuming white powder, also known as bicarbonate of soda, is a true multitasker. From baking delicious treats to tackling tough cleaning jobs, it's a must-have for every household. Today, we're diving deep into the world of baking soda, exploring its incredible versatility and showing you why it deserves a spot in your shopping cart. Number 5. Pure Original Ingredients Baking Soda, 5 pounds. This is the perfect kitchen staple. It's made with pure, original ingredients, ensuring the best quality for your needs. The main ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. You can trust its purity and effectiveness. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it for cooking, baking, cleaning, and so much more around the house. It's always pure, with no fillers or additives. You're getting exactly what you need, nothing extra. The packaging is eco-friendly. It's a product you can feel good about using and its impact on the environment. What we like. This baking soda comes in eco-friendly packaging, making it a great choice for the environmentally conscious. It's always pure with no additives, ensuring you're getting a clean product. If you are looking for a simple, pure baking soda for all your needs, from baking to cleaning, this is a great option. What people say. I use it for everything, mixing with water as a simple health remedy, making my own cleaning products, and even making homemade toothpaste. Whether it's freshening up laundry, scrubbing the sink, soothing stomach issues, or brushing your teeth, baking soda always comes through. It gets the stains off and leave them looking brighter. Number 4. It's just baking soda, 100% pure, food grade. This is pure sodium bicarbonate, with no additives or fillers. You can even combine it with citric acid to create your own fizzy bath bombs. It's a versatile product. It's food grade, making it perfect for your recipes. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free. This makes it a great choice for various dietary needs. Safely remove tough stains in the bathroom. Use it on sinks, showers, toilets, counters, tubs, tile, grout, and more. Add a cup to your laundry for fresher clothes. The baking soda is made and packaged in the USA. Each batch undergoes third-party lab testing to ensure its purity. You can trust its quality. All of the products are packaged in a GMP-certified facility in California. This ensures the highest standards of quality. You can rely on it. What we like. This baking soda is 100% pure and food grade, perfect for your culinary creations. Made in the USA and third-party lab tested, you can trust its quality. If you like to bake and want a reliable, pure baking soda, this is the one for you. What people say. This Bob's Red Mill baking soda is absolutely amazing. I've started using it as toothpaste and deodorant for my skin, and I notice huge differences in its effective qualities and the way it works for my body. This baking soda is top quality and works perfectly for all my needs, from baking to cleaning. Number 3. Prescribed for Life Organic Baking Soda, 1 kilogram. This is USP grade, which means it has a higher quality and purity compared to food grade. It's safe for both food and medicinal purposes. This pure baking soda is extracted using a simple water process, without any chemicals. It's completely aluminum-free and contains no fillers, binders, additives, or preservatives. It's also gluten-free and non-GMO. Sodium bicarbonate has many uses for your health and around the house. You can use it for cooking, baking, as a mouthwash, or even for teeth whitening. It can also relieve itchy skin and soothe sunburns. Use this baking soda powder for natural cleaning throughout your home. Scrub sinks, showers, or countertops without scratching them. It can also freshen up your fridge and freezer. Because it's USP grade, it's safe to use around your kids and pets. This sodium bicarbonate comes in a durable, resealable pouch. It's easy to store and keeps it fresh. We offer various sizes to meet your bulk baking soda needs. What we like. This product is USP grade, ensuring the highest purity for both food and medicinal uses. It's also organic, aluminum-free, and comes in a convenient resealable pouch. If you have sensitive needs or are looking for a versatile baking soda for health and household use, consider this. What people say. No heavy metals, clean baking soda. Perfect taste. Perfect food grade. No aluminum, like an Arm & Hammer. I use this baking soda not only for cooking, but also as an antacid, which both uses are on the label of this package. This is organic, kosher, and it's gluten, aluminum, and ammonia-free. Number 2. Sodium Bicarbonate Plus Alkaline Supplement. Introducing Sodium Bicarbonate Plus, a natural alkaline supplement with alkalizing superfoods. It's designed to support normal kidney function and provide a safe, fast-acting antacid for your stomach. This helps to alkalize and buffer acid for supporting immune health and sports performance. This unique organic sodium bicarbonate helps rejuvenate kidney health and supports normal elimination of body acid. It's designed to stop the burning, acid indigestion, and sour stomach. Plus, it includes an ebook and 60 days of email coaching support. Sodium Bicarbonate Plus supports normal kidney function and potassium levels. It's a safe antacid to stop stomach burn, alkalize, and balance your pH levels. This also aids normal immune health and supports longer exercise sessions. This powerhouse sodium bicarbonate powder is designed for acid-neutralizing action on your kidneys, stomach, and whole body. It boosts alkalinity for wellness, immune health, sports performance, and endurance. Simply mix it in water to create alkaline water. This natural, pure sodium bicarbonate is free of aluminum and toxins. It supports normal creatinine, GFR, and kidney acid. It's the perfect stomach and whole body acid reliever, providing an alkaline shield for good health, long endurance exercise, and immunity. With Sodium Bicarbonate Plus, alkalinity remains. Enjoy more foods without stomach burn, rejuvenate your kidney health, or alkalize your body for discomfort relief. This supplement offers hundreds of benefits with no negatives, potentially changing your life. What we like. This sodium bicarbonate is designed as an alkaline supplement, supporting kidney health and acting as an antacid. It includes alkalizing superfoods and offers email coaching support. If you are looking for a product to support your kidney health and overall wellness, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent product, very effective for the lymphatic system. I have been taking the sodium bicarbonate for a few days now. Not sure of long-term benefits yet. However, my workouts I have noticed a tremendous difference in my endurance and strength after taking 1-2 teaspoon 30 minutes before workout. 3 or 4 workouts so far taking it and noticing a huge difference. In overall this is a really good for digestion, and feel good for all body. Number 1. Spicy World Baking Soda, aluminum-free 10 lb. This is a versatile product from Spicy World. It's aluminum-free and food grade, making it safe for various uses. Use it for cleaning around your home. It's a natural and effective way to remove dirt and grime. It is also great for cooking and baking. It can help your food rise and achieve the perfect texture. This product can also be used for pool maintenance. It helps to balance the pH levels in your pool water. Comes in a 10 lb bag, providing you with plenty of product for all your needs. It's a cost-effective solution for multiple applications. What we like. This baking soda is aluminum-free, food grade, and comes in a bulk 10 lb bag. It's perfect for cleaning, pool maintenance, and cooking. If you need a large quantity of baking soda for various uses, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Works well. Baking soda is wonderful stuff for a great number of uses. I use this baking soda for my clothes, my floors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.